So useful content should be at the core of your marketing. Traditional marketing is becoming less and less effective by the minute. As a forward thinking marketer, you know there has to be better way. Enter content marketing. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distribute enables relevant and consistent content to attract and retain a slightly different audience and ultimately to drive profitable customer action. So content marketing is used to be landing band. So our show the best majority marketers are using content marketing. In fact, is used by many prominent organizations in the world. P&G, Microsoft, Priso System and Zohan did. It's also developed and excluded by small business and one person shop around the globe. Why? Because it's work. So content marketing is a good for a bottom line and your customers. So content is the percent and future of marketing. Go back and read the content marketing definitions on more time, but this time remove the relevant and valuable that the difference between content marketing and the others informational garbage you get from campaign typing to sell you. Shift campaigns set us information all the time. So content marketing includes today innovate. So thank you.